Okay, so today we're gonna go through the mapping function of the e-cart. So in order to start mapping, you need to be on the blue line of your route. So we go to the main menu, we select map and routes, and we select create new route. So now we guess the question, is it a circular path or a simple path? And since we have a loop in our current routes, we need to select circular path. If you have ever only A to B path, then you can select simple path. So we will select circular path and we will press start. So the e-cart has now started to perform the mapping feature, and we can see this by it going in very slow speed, 0.2 meters per second, and we can see that the LEDs are flashing So the e-cart has come back to the original loop and it has completed the mapping. And we can see the mapping from the results here, that it looks just like the actual route. So what we do now is we press save routes, we give it a name. And we save it. We can now exit, and if we go to recorded maps, we will find test right here. We press it and we can display it, no problem.